Hello, and welcome to Design Guy. Want to make one color pop on your black and white photo? I'll show you how. First, click Create, then select Custom Size and enter your desired dimensions. Next, go to Elements and choose an image. Resize the image as needed by dragging its corners. To duplicate the image, press Ctrl D on your keyboard. Position the duplicate where you want. This process allows you to customize your design quickly using specific sizes and repeated elements for a polished look. Next, convert the duplicate image. Click Edit, then select the option to change the image to black and white. This adjusts the duplicate for a cleaner, monochrome appearance in your project. Go to Filters, search for Duotone, and select it. Adjust the highlight color here to customize the effect. This allows you to change the color tone and enhance the image's visual appeal quickly. Change the shadow color to black while keeping the background white. Adjust the image color settings as needed to achieve the desired effect quickly. Select black and white, then adjust the image size to improve quality. After resizing, click the Share button to proceed. Finally, hit Download to save the enhanced image to your device. This ensures a clear, high-quality black and white image. Now you know how to keep one color in a black and white image using Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.